The Slovenian Qualifications Framework, or SQF, is a national tool for the classification of qualifications within a single agreed system in order to ensure the better transparency and recognizability of qualifications, both nationally and in Europe. The SQF is aimed at everyone who wishes to find out about the wide choice of educational and other qualifications available in Slovenia or verify the comparability of different qualifications. The Slovenian Qualifications Framework covers the three types of qualifications available in Slovenia: educational qualifications, vocational qualifications, and supplementary qualifications. Qualifications are placed in the SQF at one of 10 levels, based on the knowledge, skills, and competencies they cover. When the SQF is linked to the EQF, this acts as a conversation tool that references the SQF to the European context. Example: Jure has a SQF level 6 qualification. A German employer verifies the level that Jure has attained under the EQF, the European Qualifications Framework, and the DQR, the German Qualifications Framework. This makes it easy for the German employer to compare him to German candidates. Pierre, who holds a level 3 qualification under the French National Qualifications Framework, is applying for a job in Slovenia. The Slovene employer converts his national qualification to the relevant EQF and SQF levels. In this way, it is easier for the employer to compare him to Slovene candidates. The SQF level must be clearly stated on all public documents on the completion of education, their supplements and different certificates. In Slovenia, the SQF is managed by the National Coordination Point for SQF-EQF. For more information, visit www.nok.si.